Now, welcome back, everyone. So, by the way, so if you are new to this our channel, do not forget to subscribe. Please, I need you to subscribe. So, let's quickly do a quick analysis on our pound pair. Any pair relating to our pound, that is exactly what we are going to be analyzing for today. And first we'll be looking at is our pound index, by the way. So if you have to watch my weekly move, price move, I predicted that our pound will actually either push up then actually either fall. So by the way, for yesterday we added that a little bit of push up. Now today we are having that something like a retracement on our daily time frame. I feel that we would have that little retracement put down, then we will continue going up. The reason why I said that, I don't really think that we would actually see that massive fall on our pound. I want us to see that push up. Personally, my analysis is that I want to see that push up. It's around this my area here. So this is our area here where our pound will be able to hit this our area here. Then we actually see that fall. And if possibly our price does not push up, remember, if our price does not push up, it actually goes down, then definitely I'll also be going down with my price on my pound, and opt out of my take my profits here and opt out. But I feel that we are having something like a pullback, a retracement, then we would continue a little bit of retracement or a pullback before we continue our bull run up to this our area here, then that fall. Exactly what I am seeing on my pound. So if it plays out by what I'm planning to see, I will actually be taking my buy, and I'll be able to make it. And if it does not, probably it's actually see that fall, then definitely I will also want to be going with the fall. By the way, trade what you see and not what you think. I would want to be trading what I see, and that is it. So now our currency pair we should be aiming for is our euro pound. Once I know our euro is actually falling, by the way, and we would want to have something like a retracement, so I feel we would continue to still push up. Let's our euro should actually push up a little bit around this, I think, our area here. Let's see if our euro will actually push up. You see this my area that I just marked. I think about 0.83, 0.83, to be precise, 0.83112, but I'll be aiming for 0.83. When our price is able to hit our 0.83, then definitely we should actually see that fall on our euro. So this is our liquidity area. That is exactly what I think our euro pound will be playing out, and let's aim to play it out, because on our daily time frame we are still seeing that bearish run, and we would want to start having that thing called a retracement, a pullback on our 4-hour time frame. It is actually indicating a sell. But let's see if our price will to give us that pullback, then we would actually take our sell on our euro pound. Our next currency pair we see is our pound odd. One thing I want you to know that our pound is actually falling, and probably we should be seeing a little bit of push up on our pound, since our pound is actually going to be giving us a little bit of push up for today, and our odd is actually funny. I think personally that we will see have that push up. So don't be deceived. You can say that we are starting to have a little bit of fall here, but I don't think I'll be buying that. We should actually see a push up for today. Exactly what I feel, because I'm seeing this as a retracement pullback down on my 4-hour time frame. Then we will continue going on, continue to push up at least probably here. So this is my area here on a 4-hour time frame. By the way, if you can highlight your 4-hour time frame, you see where I am aiming to at least see where my price will push, and if it does not push, it continues to go down, so be it. If it continues to break down, then so be it, I'll actually take my sell, but I'm aiming for my pound to actually push up a little bit. So on our next currency pair we have is our pound New Zealand. I want you to know that our pound New Zealand is actually pushing down. If you have to compare any currency pair relating to it, both our JPY New Zealand, or USD, especially USD New Zealand, you see our New Zealand dollar is actually falling massively. So since our pound is actually giving us that bull run a little bit, I feel that we would see that bullish run. Let's see if we'll be able to have a bull run for today, at least 20, 30 to 40 pips for today, on our pound New Zealand, because our New Zealand is actually falling. So if you are seeing on our 4-hour time frame, we are having something like a pullback. Let's see probably if you can have that pullback to this our area here. If possibly our price if we have continue after that pullback, then definitely we should be seeing that pullback around this area here before we actually now see that huge push up on our pound in New Zealand. But I think this will be the likely place where our pullback will definitely where we'll be have our pullback, then that reversal, push up on our pound New Zealand. Our next pair is our pound card. Our card is actually falling. That's what I want you to know. If you have to look at our card JPY, even our USD card, you see that our USD, since our USD index is actually pushing up very on our USD card, is failing to really push up. That is to say that our card is actually pushing up. So definitely we should be seeing that sell short on our pound card. So our advice, you actually take your sell on our pound card. Let's see if our price will react to this our liquidity, this lowest area here. If our price will be able to hit our lowest area here. Let's see. That should be giving me about, let me see how many pips I'll be able to grab. About 72 pips on my pan card if I should take my sell position straight down. Definitely we should be aiming, like I said, aim sell on our pound card. Then we can actually now see, okay, probably they will continue, a push up, or probably continue push down, because one thing I know is our card is actually bull, is actually very bullish, by the way. So any pair relating to it will likely fall against our card. And our pound Swiss franc, definitely will be seen a very, I've seen this as a retracement. So probably let's continue, going up on our pound card, because one thing I know how is that our Swiss franc is actually, pushing down. It's actually pushing down. So any pair related to it should likely push up, and we can see our pound is likely to give us a push up, so a little bit of push up. So I'm aiming for my pound card around, at least aiming to take my take profit here. But definitely I would only take that my buy if I see on my 30 minutes and my 1 hour time frame I'm having that push up bullish run from multiple break of structure upward, then I will take my buy position. As at now, I'm not seeing that multiple break of structure. Probably we are seeing a rejection here where our price will break. But if my price can actually break below here, come back, retest our area, and it's starting to push up, I don't mind taking buy on my pound Swiss franc. But today, let's say our price will react. So let's be waiting for our price. If our price will continue to push down. But one thing is that we are aiming to take our buy straight upward for our pound Swiss franc. So exactly our analysis for today. If you find it helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.